Hey, this is Dan R. Morris from bloggingconcentrated.com, and today I'm going to show you how to sell an ebook from your site without having a shopping cart or any fancy technology. So I also author lettersfromdan.com, where I thought I would show you an example. So this week I decided that I was going to clean out my awesome stuff. I've got all kinds of curriculum and books that I thought I would get rid of. Mostly because 2014 is coming and I really need space for new stuff. So what I did was I took pictures of everything, I wrote little blurbs about it, and then I added a buy button. And if somebody wants to buy it, they click it, and in theory it goes directly to PayPal, and they type in their password or whatever and check out, and that's it. That's all. So I'm going to show you how to do this, how to create this, how to deliver an ebook, all the fun stuff that goes along with it. So I'm going to press the back button, and then where should we start? Let's start with, well, first of all, I have an ebook right here. It is a PDF. This is what we're going to sell. This is an interview I did with Carrie Wilkerson about the marketing matrix, which is how to really divide your business into basically into pieces, and then how to focus on those pieces. For instance, dividing your business into your revenue activities, or your list building activities, or your exposure activities, and then really focusing on them and figuring out how to get those things done. So that's what we're going to sell right here, that book. So right now it's just on my computer. It's not on the web. Alright, so where should we start? We are going to, here's where I started already, how to sell an ebook without a shopping cart. So I'm actually going to take this video, I'm going to put the video here in this blog post, and we will sell the Marketing Matrix ebook right below it. So if you're creating an ebook, you could easily create a video that talks about the book, introduces it or something. You could have some copy up here, and then you could have, if you'd like to buy it, press the buy button now. So that's what we will do. We're going to put the buy button right there. So let's first go to PayPal and create the button. So I want you to log into your PayPal account and click on Merchant Services. And we're going to create a payment button for your website. So first we're going to press the create button part, because we don't need a shopping cart. We don't need to set up custom integration. We just need a button. What? I did log in. Hello? Alright, so I pressed the button. Merchant Services, create PayPal button. Now, button type, buy now, donate, gift certificate. We don't really care about any of that. I'm going to put buy now, but I'll show you why we don't care about that later. So we're going to call this the Motive Matrix book. And now I like to give it an item ID because it's easier to sort your PayPal to see how many you sold if it has an ID. So I'm going to call it, I don't care, 1, 2, 3, 2. I don't know. And we're going to sell it for, how much should we sell it for? $2.99. How about that? For the purpose of this example. Add drop-down menus with price. Nope, I don't need any of that. Shipping. No shipping. No tax. And all that's fine. And then here, save button. That's good. I want to save. I don't really care about saving the button, but if I need to use this exact button again, I can just go back and get the code. Track the inventory. If it's an ebook, it's infinite, so I don't need that. View profit and losses. I don't need that. If we picked track the inventory, then it would tell us if we had 45 of them, and at 40, it would give us an email that says, "Whoa, you're almost out." So I do this for the blogging concentrated events, where we only have 35 people in the room. I make sure that when we sold 30, I get an email that we're almost sold out. Can the customers buy an item when it is sold out? That's not useful for us. And then the custom features. Do you want your customer to change order quantities? Yes. Why do people order more than one ebook? I do not know, but they definitely will. No special instructions. Do you need shipping address? If you feel like your audience really wants the book and will not mind putting their name and email in, then go for it. So now we have the opportunity, if you want to send them somewhere when they cancel, like, hey, are you sure that you don't want the book? How do I say this? So to make it really simple, if you're selling this book for $2.99 and somebody goes through the process and starts to buy it and then presses cancel, you could have them go to another web page that you build where it says, "Hey, sorry that you canceled your order. We'll give you this last chance to buy it for $1.99 instead of $2.99." And then you would have a new PayPal button on that page. So I'm not going to use that this time. Take customers to this URL when they finish. Okay, this is where we are. All right, now, where did we go? Wait, where did we go? Here it is. Okay, so take them when they finish. So I'm going to go, I have the letters from Dan open in 2 spots. So I'm going to go back to the dashboard. And I'm going to go to media. Where'd media go? Add new. Add new. And then going to drag the ebook right there. Going to edit it. Look, there is the address of the ebook. Where did PayPal go? Right there. Now, as soon as they check out, they're going to be taken directly to the ebook. I'm going to show you one other way that we're going to deliver it. The other thing that you can do here, which might even be smarter, is if we built one more page that says, "Thank you for buying the book. Here it is. Here's the download button," and they right-click and download it. And that way you could sell other products and services, those kinds of things. But we're doing the easy example. So create the button. Alright, so here is the code. Now this is what it looks like. See that right there? So where did our page go? Now, visual. There's the button, buy now. I do not like that buy now button myself. So, where's the library? So here's a buy now button. That's that red one that I was showing you. But look at all these other buy now buttons. Shopping cart, the little arrow. There's all kinds of buy now buttons. They're everywhere. You can even buy, you can buy graphics packs that have buy now buttons in them. I would actually suggest that. But for the moment, we're just going to borrow one. For this example, Buy now. Look at that shiny one. This one looks... Put it on the desktop, since we're not going to need it for very long. And we will add it to the library. Desktop, buy now button. Edit. I'm copying that. Alright, now, where did our page go? Alright, here it is. Okay, so here's the code for the PayPal button, right? See this SRC? That means this is the source of the image. So I'm going to take this out. I do not like the PayPal image. I'm going to put my button in. Buy now. So I have the PayPal code with my own colored button. Alright? So, what else do we need to do? Oh yes, we need to do that. Alright, so we're done with this page. We're done with this page. We're done with this page. Are we done with this page? We're not done with that page. This is the page that we need. Okay. Now, I use Aweber for my email marketing. If you use FeedBlitz or some other service, you're going to have to get into their parser to figure out how to do this. You'll need an email parser to add their email to your list. So in Aweber, I just click on My Apps and I go to PayPal. And then I go down here and see how it already shows up. We just created this in PayPal. Like, it instantly shows up in my Aweber account. Motive Matrix book. And I can add that to any one of the lists that I've created. So I'm going to add that to the... Do I have a marketing calendar list? I do have a marketing calendar list. I will add that to the marketing calendar list. Now, whenever they buy the book, they get added to my marketing calendar list. So if I go down to the marketing calendar list, and I go to my follow-up emails, here's the first email that they get. I'm going to edit it. So in this very first email, I could come over here, I could grab the ebook PDF, and I could put it right into the email and say, hey, I'm glad that you bought our book. Hopefully you got a chance to look at it. If you did not, right-click here and download it. So now, not only did they get redirected as soon as they bought it, but they also got a copy of it through email. So now they have it two different ways, which reduces the number of people who are going to say, hey, I didn't get the ebook. So that's how that works. Now I'm going to have to change. Now this is my opening email for people who buy the Marketing Calendar Blueprint. So this first email would be a bad email to send the people who just bought the Matrix book, because it won't make any sense. They bought the book, but this is telling them all about what you get inside the Marketing Calendar Blueprint. So I don't want my list message to be different from why they bought. So I'm going to have to create a new email. Okay, so we don't need PayPal anymore. And we don't need Blogging Concentrated anymore. We only need how to sell an ebook without a shopping cart. Okay. So, to see it in action, go ahead and press Buy button below, and I will send you the Motive Matrix ebook that we spoke about. on the video. So I'm going to press publish, to the chagrin of my RSS readers, because they're going to get a incomplete post. I'm going to click view post. Now we've got all your copy about your ebook video placeholder, and here we have the buy now button, and when I click it, hello, it goes directly here. Am I going to have to pay myself for the example? Oh wait, I'm not going to be able to. It won't let me. Look at that. It will not let me. So I could buy the book, and then as soon as I press purchase, it would take me directly to the PDF. It would take me directly to that. And that would be it. And I would also get an email with the download link. That's all you have to do. I hope that was easy and fun. Look forward to seeing you on lettersfromdan.com or at a Blogging Concentrated event.